Welcome to this new video. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to remove a Microsoft account from Windows 10 easily. If you prefer to use a local account instead of a Microsoft account, this video is perfect for you. First, go to Settings by clicking the Start button and selecting Settings or using the keyboard shortcut Windows plus I. Once the settings window opens, select Accounts from the side menu. In the Your Info section, you will see the option Sign in with a local account instead. Click on it. Microsoft will ask you to verify your identity. Enter the password for your Microsoft account, then click Next. A window will appear to create a local account. Enter a username and password, then click Next. Once you complete the steps, click Sign Out and Finish. You will be switched to the local account upon re-signing in. If you want to remove the Microsoft account completely from the device, go back to Settings, Accounts, Family, and Other Users, then select the Microsoft account you want to remove and click Remove. And that's it. You have successfully removed the Microsoft account from Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.